Welcome to a brief introduction to Parlay. Parlay is an instructional tool that helps teachers facilitate effective student-driven dialogue, giving every student a voice and making it easy to track and assess classroom participation. How does it work? There's three main components. There's the Parlay universe, which is a library of discussion topics. There's the written roundtable, which is a written discussion activity. And there's the verbal roundtable, which is a verbal discussion activity. Parlay also integrates with many of the existing tools and systems that you already use in your classroom. Starting with the Parlay universe. This is a library of discussion topics. Teachers can search by keyword, by author, by title, and you can filter as well. You can also browse topics by collection and subject area. Finally, teachers can create their own discussion topics inside of Parlay and add them to their personal portfolio, sharing those topics with their colleagues and with the broader community. Next is the Parlay Genie. This is an artificial intelligence-powered prompt creation tool. Teachers simply set the number of questions, a topic, or input a URL, and the grade level, and Parlay will create higher-order discussion topics in a single click. The written roundtable is one of the two core discussion activities. This is a traditional discussion board that has a number of features that make it more lively, engaging, and useful. First, students have secret identities for the discussion, making it more inclusive and engaging. There are also sentence stems to help students structure their peer feedback and commentary. Teachers can highlight model submissions. Teachers can submit their own responses or follow-up questions to the discussion. Teachers can create their own custom assessment criteria and give feedback to students based on those criteria. Finally, there's rich discussion analytics at the end of each discussion, so the class can go through these analytics and reflect how they could be better, more inclusive, more engaged next time. Next is the verbal roundtable, which is a verbal discussion activity where the students are inside the classroom, ideally sitting in a circle like you see here, and they're contributing by speaking out loud. Parlay is there as a way to help track the conversation and ensure that everyone has a voice. To start, students tap in when they want to participate. They can either introduce a new idea, challenge an idea, build an idea, or ask a question. Then they'll line up into a queue system, which is going to allow one person to speak at a time, and when they tap out, the next person comes in the queue. Teachers can also nudge quiet students during the discussion, encouraging them to participate. You can see student notes in real time and after the discussion is over. Teachers have the ability to assess students in real time based on their own custom rubrics, as well as give them feedback. And just like in the written roundtable, there are summary statistics at the end that we can look at and reflect as a group. There's also a number of premium features. You can have co-teachers inside of your courses. You have student reports, which is trending engagement and participation data and assessment over time. You can export the data from your roundtables. You can save time by having custom feedback templates that improve efficiency of assessment. There's live video for remote verbal discussions. You can have training and PD options, and then at the school level, there's the administrator portal, as well as some deeper learning management system integrations. With all that said, when you close out this video, you're going to see your recent roundtables page. You will have the new roundtable button and two sample roundtables that are just demo. You can't do anything, but you can click around and get a sense for what a discussion feels like, both the written and the verbal, when they're in full swing. With that, enjoy, good luck, and we're always here to help.